Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've heard very good reviews about the DIY flaxseed gel, and these are the results I got from it. So I wanted to share with you guys how you guys can get your curls poppin' with the flaxseed gel. So I'm just gonna get right into the video and we're gonna start making the flaxseed gel. For this DIY flaxseed gel, I'm gonna be using 2 cups of water, and then I'm gonna go in with my whole flaxseed that I got from Walmart, and I'm gonna be pouring in 1/4 cup of the flaxseed. After I do that, I'm going to wait for the water to boil. As the water boils, I'm going to stir my mixture and wait for like a thick slime-like snotty consistency. As you can see, the mixture is still a little bit watery, so I'm going to let it boil for about 15 minutes and then check on it and hope for a thicker consistency. So after my gel mixture is ready, I let it sit for about 30 minutes because it's really hot. You don't want to burn your hands, so let it sit. And I'm using a wig cap. You can use like the nylon socks, that works perfectly fine. And then I'm putting my mixture in the bowl and I'm just gonna squeeze everything out. You see how it's like slimy? That's exactly how you want the mixture to be. Now that I squeezed out all the mixture, I'm gonna place the mixture in this applicator bottle that I got from Dollar Tree. And voila, we have our DIY flaxseed gel. So I'm starting on freshly cleansed hair. I did wash my hair prior to this, and my hair is drying up, so I'm gonna spritz it with some water because I like to style my hair when it's soaked. That way I will have minimal to no frizz. Now let the magic begin. I'm just gonna style my hair like I usually do. I do use different kinds of method. So I'm just doing the praying hands method and raking the products through my hair. I do use a generous amount because I feel like this product is really lightweight. It's not like sticky, it's really soft, so it glides right through my hair and I actually really like it on my hands. This flaxseed gel doesn't really feel like a gel. It feels more like a jelly. Like, I'm not sure if you guys have used any of those products, but it feels really soft and it just feels really moisturizing. Now that I saturated my hair with the products, I'm just going to style my hair. And I usually like to bring the bangs to the front just because when it's dried, I feel like I have more volume. So I'm going to style my hair with a diamond brush as usual. I'm parting my hair into sections, or just not even parting it, just going in sections, and I'm just brushing the curls and forming my curls with the diamond brush. And I'm just going to do that throughout my hair. So I just want to say that the DIY flaxseed gel does make my hair really soft and more manageable. Usually, like sometimes I get like knots, but usually with this product, it just glides right through. The detangling process and the styling process is really easy and smooth. Now that my hair is fully styled, I like to, I don't know what that's called, maybe dangle my hair just to lift the hair from the roots. And then I literally scrunch my life away. You will see me scrunching for like a whole minute. So I feel like you guys see me diffusing my hair all the time, so I just went ahead and did that off camera. And these are the results. As you can see, I'm really impressed with the results. My hair is literally super soft. I don't notice any shrinkage, and my curls are so defined. You see that they're clumped together. So I literally went ahead and separated the curls. I can't believe how soft my hair is, and the hold is perfect. It's not hard where it's crunchy. It's just the perfect amount of hold. And you guys know when I style my hair, I like to shake my roots for more volume. And then I'm going to go ahead with my pick as well for more volume, because you guys know I love volume. But day one hair, I never really have the amount of volume that I like. So about day 2, day 3, my hair will be popping. I didn't include clips of that because I feel like my hair looked really amazing on day 1. And these are literally the results. I actually loved it. And it's crazy to think that I styled my hair with one product. My hair looks amazing. And to top it off, I don't notice any frizz whatsoever. I would give this review a 10 out of 10 because I actually really loved it. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.